Here we do a variable pitch. The start pitch is 0.15, the end pitch is 0.45. Here we do multi-pitch threading. We need to define our segments. We are having 3 segments. We get a machine. We set our lengths of the segments. First one is -1.1, the second one is -2.2, the third one is -3.3. Going back to 1, in this case I set a variable pitch of 0.15 as a start and 0.3 at the end. The second segment is a constant pitch with 2.222. And the third segment goes as a variable thread again. It goes from start pitch 0.3 down to end pitch of 0.15 inches per revolution. Here we're doing multiple pitch threads from shape. We define our segments. We have 4 segments. We set our lengths of our segments. Then we define what kind of pitch, variable pitch for the first segment. For the second segment we do constant pitch, 2.5 threads per inch. The third segment, the same thing with a 2.25 threads per inch, and the last segment is a start pitch 0.15 and end pitch 0.03. OD threading, constant pitch, tool front or thread root. Here is our insert. We can select it either at front or at the tool thread, at the thread root. What's new is we can also do this, okay, select from tool front or thread root. If I want to machine all the way up to that shoulder, I measure it, okay, it's -3.3. But now I want to back off, let's say 50,000, make that 325. And this, okay, set that, okay, now we have set the tool front shy of 50,000 from the shoulder.